हाय बच्चे, हाउ आर यू, कैसे है? टुडे आई गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. So already we discussed an introduction about the chapter. So first I will explain female reproductive system, then I will explain the male reproductive system. So students, see here. So this is the female reproductive system. So in this class I will explain different parts of the female reproductive system. So see here. So the female reproductive system contains a pair of ovaries. So two ovaries is present in the female reproductive system. So see here, first ovary and second ovary. So pair of ovaries is present in the female reproductive system. So the ovaries is connected to the fallopian tube. So fallopian tube contains three parts. First part of the fallopian tube is called infundibulum. Second part of the fallopian tube is called ampulla. And third part of the fallopian tube is called isthmus. So this is the three parts of the fallopian tube. So see here, the first part of the fallopian tube, it contains finger-like projections. And the second part of the fallopian tube. So this area, second part of the fallopian tube. Okay, so this area. Then last part of the fallopian tube is the isthmus. So these three parts together is called fallopian tube. So the fallopian tube, it connected to the uterus. So the uterus contains widest part. So this first part or widest part of the uterus. So this is called fundus. So beneath the fundus, the narrow part of the uterus, this area is called cervix. So completely this area is called uterus. This triangular area is there. This triangular area is called uterus. So the first part, upper part or widest part of the uterus is fundus. And the lower part or narrow part of the uterus, that is called cervix. Okay, so the cervix is open into the cervical canal, this place. This is called cervical canal. So the cervical canal is more narrow. The cervical canal open into the vagina. So this cervical canal will open into the vagina. So the last part of the female, that uterus, so that is the cervix or cervical canal open into the vagina. Okay, so this is the parts of the uterus. So uterus, upper part is called fundus, lower part is called cervix. So the cervix is open into the cervical canal, more narrow. Then the cervical canal will open into the vagina. Okay, again the uterus contains three layers. So see here, uterus is thick. Okay, so thick muscles, some muscles is present in the uterus. So because of that, the uterus walls are thick. So see here, the inner side layer of the uterus, this is called endometrium. So endometrium, so that is the thick part. So this area is called, that is inner side, inner layer of the uterus is called endometrium. So I will give numbers. So first one, that is inner part of the uterus. Inner part of the uterus is called endometrium. After that, myometrium. Myometrium is middle part of the uterus. Otherwise middle layer. So this is inner layer. So inner layer of the uterus is called endometrium. Middle layer of the uterus is called myometrium. And perimetrium. Perimetrium is outer layer. Outer layer of the uterus is called perimetrium. So this is the different layers present in the uterine structure. So this is the structure of the uterus. Okay, see here, the female reproductive system contains pair of ovaries and pair of the fallopian tubes. The fallopian tube is divided into the three parts. The first part of the fallopian tube is called infundibulum. It contains finger-like projections. And the second part of the fallopian tube is called, that is ampulla. And the last part of the fallopian tube is called isthmus. Okay, then the fallopian tube, these three parts together is called fallopian tube. The fallopian tube will connected to the uterus. Okay, so the uterus, widest part of the uterus that is present in the upper region, that is called fundus, and narrow region of the uterus, that is called cervix. Cervix is open into the cervical canal. The cervical canal will open into the vagina. So again here, so this triangular shape, this is called uterus. So the uterus, it is divided into, the uterus contains different layers. So the innermost layer of the uterus is called endometrium. Inner layer of the uterus is called endometrium. So after beneath the endometrium, another layer is present. So beneath the endometrium, other layer is called myometrium. Okay, middle layer is called myometrium. So upper side of the myometrium is called perimetrium. So this is the three layers. So see here, inner layer of the uterus is called endometrium. So middle layer of the uterus is called myometrium. Okay, this is myometrium. Then outer layer of the uterus is called perimetrium. So this is the outermost layer. So this is the female reproductive system. So in next video I will explain what is the significance of each part of the female reproductive system. So in this female reproductive system, different parts we discussed, that is pair of the ovaries, pair of the fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, cervical canal. So along with accessory sex organ present in the females, that is called breast. Okay, so the breast of the female or mammary glands of the female, that is important for the parental care. So after birth, so the mother can give nutrition and protection to the child with the help of the mammary glands. So the mammary glands is called accessory sex organs. So see here, so in next class, in next video, I will discuss about significance of each part in the female reproductive system. Okay, so if you like the video, subscribe my channel, click the like button and share this videos to your friends. They also can get benefit. So if you want to anytime for revision purpose, otherwise clarity purpose or any purpose, you can easily watch the videos. So this is more beneficial to you. So thank you very much for watching my channel. All the best. We will meet in the next video with explanation about each part of the female reproductive system.